Introducing Virtium Vietnam Manufacturing, VVM. VVM is our new manufacturing facility located in Saigon High-Tech Park in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam's most advanced technology and manufacturing center. The establishment of VVM plays a significant role in the growth of Virtium Corporation, supporting our global expansion and commitment to exceeding customer expectations. VVM is an extension of Virtium, a leading designer of industrial-grade storage and memory solutions. Our 25-plus years of successful innovation and customer commitment differentiates us from our competitors and has earned us many notable customer awards. A significant growth investment in VVM was planned to enhance our worldwide operations and keep up with the increase in our customer demand. VVM is a mirror manufacturing facility that will complement our main production headquarters in Southern California by leveraging identical manufacturing, testing, and quality processes as our U.S. facility. VVM is located within TCE's facility in Saigon High-Tech Park. The strategic geographical diversification has been systematically executed to ensure better business continuity management, reduce lead times, and lower costs for our customers around the world. VVM offers many benefits for Virtium's customers, including high-volume production of high-quality products designed for your environment. Large facility with high capacity for quick manufacturing expansion. Dedicated production areas for strategic customers. An extensive testing facility for each of our products before shipping to selected OEMs. In addition, VVM certified for ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 to manufacture high-density memory and solid-state drive storage. With a manufacturing plan designed for growth and a passion-driven workforce, VVM can scale up to accommodate any volume to meet customers' demands. The introduction of VVM is truly a big milestone for Virtium, bringing over 2 decades of manufacturing experience to Vietnam. VVM is managed directly by our U.S. manufacturing and quality engineering teams and operated by experienced local Virtium employees. VVM also uses a centralized USA ERP system, ensuring operational efficiency and maximum customer benefits. We appreciate the business and the trust we have received from our customers. The opportunities are endless with the collaboration of everyone, and we look forward to what the future holds for Virtium and our customers.